Hello students, before going to the next example of diagonalization of 3 by 3 matrix, for diagonalization we want to know eigenvalues, eigenvector, and then we find P matrix and P inverse. If we get P inverse, AP equal to diagonal matrix and whose diagonal entries are nothing but the eigenvalues, then we can say that A is diagonalizable. For this we want to know how to find determinant and inverse of the matrix. First, determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, suppose A11, A12, A13 first row, second row A21, A22, A23 and third row A31, A32, A33. The determinant equal to, for this formula, if we have the first row as a reference, here first row is A11, A12, A13. A11 will be multiplied by something. This something is very important. A11, for this sign here, take -1 raised to 1 plus 1. As A11 lies in the first row and first column, we raise -1 raised to 1 plus 1. And to find out what does multiplied with this, we exclude first row and first column. What will remaining? This 2 by 2 matrix. Take determinant of this, we get A22 multiplied with A33 minus A32 times A23 plus, now here two elements are remaining, A12 and A13. A12 multiplied with, now A12 lies in the first row and second column, so A12 multiplied with -1 raised to 1 plus 2 into, now eliminate first row and second column. What will remain? A21, A23, A31, A33. Take determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix, we get A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23. Now plus one element is remaining of first row, A13. Now A13 is multiplied with, now A13 lies in the first row and third column, means -1 raised to, take row number plus take column number, -1 raised to 1 plus 3 is multiplied with, if we eliminate first row and third column, what will remain? A21, A22, A31, A32. Take determinant of this, we get A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. A21 into A32 minus A22 into A31. Now here A11 into something, means here -1 raised to 1 plus 1 into A22, A33 minus A32, A23. This small part is known as the minor of A11 and this bigger part is known as the cofactor of A11. This bigger part is known as the cofactor of A11 and this is the minor of A11. Similarly, this whole part is the cofactor of A12 and this smaller part is the minor of A12. For A13, this bigger part is cofactor of A13 and smaller part is minor of A13. And this formula is nothing but the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. Now, we know that how to find the inverse of the 2 by 2 matrix. If A equal to A, B, C, D. This is the 2 by 2 matrix with entries A, B, C, D. Formula of A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. We know that adjoint of A means transpose of cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. Now to find cofactor matrix, first entry A11 means -1 raised to 1 plus 1 to find cofactor. Here A11 lies in the first row and first column. If we equate this matrix with A11, A12, A21, A22 means -1 raised to 1 plus 1. Now eliminate first row and first column. What will remain? A22. Now here first row and first column eliminate. We get only D, means -1 raised to 1 plus 1 into D. A12 equal to -1 raised to 1 plus 2. First row and second column exclude. What will remain? C. A21 equal to -1 raised to 2 plus 1, means second column and first column exclude. What will remain? B into B. A22 equal to -1 raised to 2 plus 2. Eliminate second row and second column. Here what will remain? A. So -1 raised to 1 plus 1 means -1 raised to 2 means plus 1. Here value is D. Similarly -1 raised to 1 plus 2 -1 raised to 3 means -1 into C equal to -1 raised to 2 plus 1 -1 cube means minus B equal to -1 raised to 2 plus 2 into A means only here A. Now cofactor matrix of A is equal to, write down A11 A12 here in first row and A21 A22 in second row, means D minus C minus B A. Now adjoint of A means transpose of cofactor matrix. Here first row become first column D minus C and minus B. A second row will be second column of adjoint of A, means adjoint of A is D minus B minus C A. And determinant of A equal to cross multiplication A into D minus B into C. So formula of 2 by 2 matrix is, if A equal to AB CD, then A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A is A into D minus B into C, and adjoint of A, interchange these two entries, we get D A and give remaining elements as minus sign, minus B minus C. Interchange these two entries and gives these entries minus sign. Now to find out inverse of 3 by 3 matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. First find cofactor matrix and then transpose of cofactor matrix equal to adjoint of A. A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, where adjoint of A equal to transpose of cofactor matrix A. First find cofactor of each element. First A11, cofactor of A11 means -1 raised to 1 plus 1. Now eliminate first row and first column because A11 lies in the first row and first column. Remaining entries will be A22, A23, A32, A33. Take determinant of these remaining entries, we get A22, A23, A32, A33. Now cofactor of A12 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Remaining entries of A12. A12 lies in the first row and second column. Exclude this, we get A21, A23, A31, A33. Take the determinant of this remaining matrix, we get A21, A23, A31, A33. Similarly for A13, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. Now A13 lies in the first row and third column. Eliminate first row and third column. Remaining entries will be A21, A22, A31, A32. Cofactor of A21 equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. A21 lies in the second row and first column. Eliminate this. We get A12, A13, A32, A33. A12, A13, A32, A33. Similarly, A22 equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into determinant of remaining entries A11, A13, A31, A33. A23 equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into determinant of A11, A12, A31, A32. Cofactor of A31 equal to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 into determinant of A12, A13, A22, A22, A23. Cofactor of A32 equal to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 into determinant of A11, A13, A21, A23. Cofactor of A33 equal to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 into determinant of A11, A12, A21, A22. These are nothing but the cofactor of A. Write down the cofactor matrix and then take transpose of that matrix, we get adjoint of A. And then find determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix, and when we put the values of determinant of A and adjoint of A, we get A inverse. Remember the formula of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrices inverse. Here we stop.